Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I'm Kakao Konemi. So, this reading is for you. If you notice, there are no hashtags, but this may also resonate to people who are Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Um, if you have been tagged, then this is also your free tarot reading video post. Okay? So, Page of Swords, there may be something na connected sa knowledge or research or parang new idea na kailangan mong i-reconsider o parang kailangan mong aralin, kailangan mong intindihin, especially if hindi siya sakop ng scope mo. Like, let's say for example, chef ka, pero there's something about the financial aspect ng pagre-resto, pag catering na parang kailangan mong aralin. And this is something na very new to you, pero parang kailangan mo siyang i-consider na at least man lang know and learn the basics. Tumalon si Ace of Pentacles at saka si Eight of Cups reversed. So, if there is someone na let's say, nakatampuhan mo, nakagalit mo, this is return of that person. Ace of Pentacles, maybe this person is going to offer you, I don't know, something na you need for the new idea, which is the Page of Swords kanina. Or this may be a financial assistance na parang, oh sige na, sorry na, um, to compensate or to emphasize my apology, eto, di ba kailangan mo ng panibagong freezer para sa resto mo, ako na bahala doon. Or let's say, for example, na nabalitaan ko kailangan mo ng ganitong amount, ako na lang sasalo. Parang ganon. In order for this person na iparating yung apology niya or to prove na he or she is sorry, parang meron siyang ibibigay na something, tapos need mo rin naman. Tsaka parang Ace of Swords is more on utak, more on logic. So, if it's something naman na beneficial sa'yo, at saka mukhang sincere naman yung pag-a-apologize, kasi yun nga, nagbibigay na nga ng peace offering, tanggapin mo na lang. And if you're going to do that, possible outcome, Nine of Pentacles reversed, marami kayong parang doon magsisimula yung pag-share ng blessings. Pero I'm not sensing anything abusive about it, kasi baka isipin mo, siguro tutulong yan sa akin kasi may kakailanganin siya sa akin in the future, or maybe para may maisumbat siya sa akin in the future. Pero bottom of the deck is King of Swords. Yun lang talaga ang gusto niyang iparating. Sorry. And sincere yung pagbigay niya sa'yo ng kung ano man na kakailanganin mo. Parang gusto niya lang talagang i-retain yung connection with you. Okay? Walang mali siya. So, humingi ng sorry, tapos nakita mo naman na meron namang changes at nag-e-effort naman na makipagbati. At saka parang, especially if may pinagsamahan na rin naman kayo, pero hindi naman siya hindi naman siya abusive, na pagka nagkaroon ng kasalanan, mag-a-apologize, tas gagawin lang rin ulit. So, if he's not that type of person, patawarin mo na lang. Okay? Anyway, that's for you. For paid personal readings, send me a private message.